Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve this simultaneous equation by substitution method. Okay, so the first equation here, this is my first equation. So from the first equation, you will see that I will have x equals to, I'm going to add 2y on both sides to have this. Okay, and this will be my new equation. I still have my equation 2 here. So this one will actually be my equation 3. So I'm going to substitute equation 3 into 2. This is important. We don't go back to 1. We are going to substitute this into equation 2. And how does it look like? So I will have my 4x, but the x, I don't write x anymore. I write it as 3 plus 2y because x is equals to 3 plus 2y. I still have my plus y equals to 3. And I just need to solve this. Yeah? So expand out. This will be 12. 4 times 2y will give me positive 8y. Plus y equals to 3. And after which I will have my 9y here. I'm going to minus 12 on both sides to give me 0. 12 minus 12 is 0. But on the other side, right hand side, I will have 3 minus 12. This will give me negative 9. And after which, I just need to divide by 9 on both sides. So 1y will be equals to negative 1. And once I have that, I will then be able to find my x easily. Yeah, because I just need to substitute this answer back into any of the 3 equations here. Since I already know equation 3, x is equals to 3 plus 2y, and I don't write y anymore. Why? Because this y is negative 1. Yeah, so in this case here, you will see Mr. Tan replacing or substitute this y as negative 1. And this will give me a value of 1. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.